The Man Who Forgot His Strength. A short story for rebuilding confidence and self-worth. There once was a man named Calder who worked as a blacksmith's assistant. Every day he lifted heavy iron, hammered steel, and shaped metal with fire. But despite his strength, he believed he was nothing more than a helper. He had grown up hearing phrases like, "You're not the smart one. Just do as you're told. Others lead. You follow." And for years, Calder carried these words like invisible chains. One evening, while the blacksmith was away, a frantic traveler burst into the workshop. "Please," the traveler begged, "my horse lost a shoe halfway up the mountain. The storm is coming, I need a smith now." Calder looked around, heart pounding. He wanted to help, but old beliefs whispered, "You're not good enough. You can't do this alone. What if you fail?" The traveler's panic grew. "Sir, please. You're the only one here." Calder felt something stir inside him, something old and buried. He took a steady breath, stepped forward, and said, "All right. I'll do it." He lit the forge. Hammer in hand, he moved as if guided by instinct. Every strike rang with the truth of what he had always been capable of. Sparks flew like scattered stars, and in minutes he crafted a clean, strong horseshoe. The traveler watched in awe. "That was masterful," he said. "I thought you were the blacksmith himself." Calder froze. Masterful. He had never heard that word used for him. When the traveler left, Calder stared at the anvil, realizing something that made his chest tighten with emotion: the chains he'd been carrying had never been locked. They were only stories, stories he had been told so many times he forgot they weren't true. That night, Calder didn't just shoe a horse. He reshaped his identity. He saw himself for the first time, capable, skilled, powerful. From that day on, Calder no longer introduced himself as the assistant. He simply said, "I am the blacksmith." Because sometimes, the only thing standing between who you are and who you could be is the story you think you're stuck in. Moral: your self-image is shaped by old words, old moments, and old doubts, but none of them define your potential. You are allowed to outgrow any story you've been placed in.